Understanding, Stop Irritating Me, a guide to expressing frustration in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might hear in everyday conversations. Stop irritating me. This phrase is a straightforward expression of frustration, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's break it down together, so you can understand not just the meaning, but also how and when to use it appropriately. Stop irritating me is a phrase used when someone is feeling annoyed or bothered by another person's actions or words. The key word here is irritating, which means causing discomfort or annoyance. When you tell someone to stop, you are asking them to cease what they are doing immediately. This phrase is often used in situations where the speaker feels a repetitive or continuous action is disturbing their peace or comfort. 1. Stop. This is a command or request to end an action. It implies an immediate cessation of whatever is being done. 2. Irritating, derived from irritate. This adjective describes actions or behavior that annoy or bother someone. It can refer to both physical sensations and emotional feelings. 3. Me. This refers to the speaker themselves. By using me, the speaker is making it personal, indicating that the irritation is affecting them directly. This phrase should be used cautiously, as it can come across as harsh or confrontational. It's most appropriate in informal settings among friends or family where there's a level of comfort and understanding. However, in a professional or formal setting, you might want to opt for more polite expressions like, "Could you please stop that? It's a bit distracting." Or, "I'm finding it hard to concentrate with that noise. Would you mind stopping?" Examples in conversations. In a friendly setting, "Hey, stop poking me. It's really irritating." In a family context, "Can you stop humming while I'm trying to read? It's irritating me." In a work environment, more politely, "I appreciate your input, but could we focus on the topic at hand? Some of the side discussions are a bit distracting." Understanding the phrase, "Stop irritating me," is not just about the words themselves, but also the context in which they're used. It's a clear expression of annoyance or discomfort, but remember, the way you say it matters a lot. Always consider the situation and your relationship with the other person before using it. We hope this video helps you navigate English conversations more confidently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.